Oh, hello everyone. 2 weeks now since I'm staying in the house. I already cancelled 2 of my holidays. Not a really good start of the year. It was amazing January and February, but now March, April doesn't look good at all. But that's life, you know. For something good you have to wait. So I will wait for my next holidays, because these days I was thinking to make some videos from home with my girlfriend, some funny ones. I've realized I don't have any lights. As you can see, my light is a natural one from my window, and I have a really small one there in the corner to help me a bit. But I need a bigger one. Because, you know, when you have a good light, the video looks different, looks more nice and more pleasant for your eyes. I was thinking to show you something that I discovered the other day on a YouTube channel. Daniel Schiffer is really well known on YouTube, so I will leave a link down below with his YouTube channel. Have a look on his. And I'm trying to do exactly what he did. I'm trying to build up a light, a super cheap light with things that I bought from the internet, and everything cost me like around £40, something like that. And I think they're gonna help you, and they're gonna help me as well in the future, in case you want to do some videos from home. So in order to build this light, you need a cake tin, diffusion material, a super clamp, and yes.
Ovi, have you seen my cake tin?
No, I don't know. Oops, she left. And the LED strip light. Make sure it's the daylight. Anyway, I'm gonna link down below everything, just for you to see exactly what I bought and how much I paid for it. Next step, you just want to take the LED strip and stick it around the pan. Simple enough. Done. We have to cut the diffusion material. Cut it. You need to cut it. And place it around the cake tin. Work of art. In step 3, just take your clamp, place it where is the cable to keep it fixed there, and then super easy, you can place it on your tripod, and there you go, you have the lights. Done. It took me like around 30 minutes, something like that, but I think the result will be amazing. I don't know. Whoa! Yay! We have the lights. Woohoo! So let's see if the light works. At the moment we have only the natural light coming out from my window and nothing else, only this ambiental like light in my room. Sandra, can you please be my tripod? I know you are like really pissed off because I was using your cake tin, but yeah, I don't have two tripods. Let's put the light on. Let's see what's happening. Whoops! And put it a bit like this. Hoppa. This is the light on, combined with the light from my window. And now let's make completely dark in the room and see how is it looking. And now let's put it on. Tripod Sandra. Good. I think it's good, no? What do you think, Sandra? Because you can see on my screen there. Do you like it? Wow. Yeah. So yeah, in case you wanna do the same light, why not? You just have to spend like £40 and 30 minutes and that's it.